To use the Bullx Telegram bot, start by opening Telegram and searching for the official bot, which can be identified by its high number of monthly users. Once found, click Start to begin using the bot, and then select the Login option. If you're on a waitlist, you can access the bot via a provided link. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Bullx website. To use the bot within Telegram, you can hover over the menu and select options such as /experience to elevate your trading experience, or view your watch list, positions, and wallets. You can also add funds by selecting /add funds and depositing into your designated address. The bot offers a Learn feature, which provides tutorials on topics like getting started, adding funds, and making trades. Additionally, you can contact support by selecting /support and withdraw funds using /withdraw. For full access to Bullx, visit their website at bullx.io. The Bullx Telegram bot provides a range of features and tools to enhance your trading experience. And by following these steps, you can navigate and utilize the bot's capabilities.